Small business owners are busier than ever. Emails, marketing, customer service, invoices, social media, bookings. It never stops. But what if AI could save you hours every week? Artificial intelligence is no longer just for big companies. Today, even a small business owner, freelancer, realtor, contractor, shop owner, or local service provider can use AI to work faster, look more professional, and grow smarter. Think of AI as a fast digital assistant. It can write emails, summarize documents, create marketing ideas, design content, answer customer questions, and help organize your business. But remember, AI is not perfect. It gives you a strong first draft. You still need to review and personalize it. One of the biggest time drains in business is writing. AI can help you create payment reminders, client follow-ups, review responses, proposals, appointment confirmations, and professional emails in minutes. Marketing is where AI becomes extremely powerful. You can ask AI for social media captions, Instagram post ideas, video scripts, ad copy, blog topics, hashtags, and even full content calendars. For example, a realtor can ask AI, "Give me 10 Instagram post ideas for first-time home buyers." A restaurant owner can ask, "Write 7 social media posts promoting our family dinner specials." AI chatbots can answer common customer questions instantly. They can help with hours, pricing, bookings, service areas, FAQs, and after-hours inquiries. This means better service, even when you are busy. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Canva, Calendly, Otter.ai, Zapier, Notion AI, and Buffer can help small businesses save time with writing, scheduling, meeting notes, design, automation, and social media planning. AI can also help organize receipts, invoices, expenses, and financial reports. But important financial, legal, tax, or business decisions should always be checked with a qualified professional. Do not copy and paste AI content without checking it. Do not share private customer information with AI tools. Do not expect AI to replace your judgment, experience, or customer relationships. Start simple. Week 1. Use AI for emails and social post ideas. Week 2. Use Canva and AI for marketing graphics. Week 3. Try scheduling, meeting notes, or automation tools. Week 4. Review what saved you the most time. You do not need to master every AI tool. You just need one workflow that saves you time, improves your business, and helps your customers better. Start small. Start today. Keep building. AI will not replace smart business owners, but smart business owners using AI will have a serious advantage.